Hi everyone, this is Dino from HOLOWITS. HOLOWITS is a global provider of intelligent Internet of Things, AIoT, products and solutions based on multidimensional awareness technologies. Today, I would like to introduce you our SMB solution. In addition to the commercial market, we are also expanding to the small and medium business market, hoping that provide more high quality, cost-effective, durable product to our customers. To this end, we combine different products based on the number of cameras required in different scenarios to provide customers with products and solutions that are easy to install, easy to maintain, and cost-effective. Here is a full set of flagship products for SMBs, including analog cameras, HD network cameras, and AI cameras. In response to customers' demand for HD imaging, we have released a new HD series of cameras for small and medium business customers. HD series cameras. HD series cameras support up to 4 megapixel and HD full color imaging in low light. They have an f1.6 aperture and work with the IR white light illuminators. These cameras bring you far from HD imaging than the competitor products at the same price level. It's going to be a flagship product in the small and medium business market. Always leverage AI technologies as our core, providing customers with rich and innovative products and solutions. We aim to work together to build an intelligent world with all things sensing. Thank you.